yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start with our unit number 4. We are going to start with our poem. The title of the poem is Why. It is a class 4th poem. So let's start with our poem. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why, by the, by. Now we'll go to the explanation part of our first stanza, students. The poet says that he knows a little boy who is curious, always asking questions about anything and everything. He is very anxious and eager to know something about everything. He keeps on asking why this, why that, why now, and why not, and other similar questions about everything he comes across. Now we'll go to the second stanza, students. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, and why sun should shine, wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Now we'll go to the explanation part of our second stanza, students. In the stanza, the poet further describes the queries of the little boy. He asks questions like why does foot swim in the water, why lead and marble sink in it. These questions asked by him indicates that his imagination is very strong and he has a good observation skills. Now we'll go to the third stanza, students. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. Now we'll go to the explanation part of this stanza, students. In this stanza, the poet gives some more examples of the questions asked by the little boy. He says that the boy wants to know what are the clouds made up of and why do they move up in the sky, unlike all other things that moves on the ground. He also wants to know that at sunset, why does the sun disappear behind the hills, and what is the reason that the pretty flowers in the garden die all of a sudden. Now we'll go to the fourth stanza, students. Some of these why are not too hard to answer if you will try. Other no one ever yet has found the reason why. Now we'll go to the explanation part of this stanza, students. In this stanza, the poet says that some of these questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. We just need to think a little about it and can satisfy the child's curiosity. But the answer to some other question is not even known to us as we have not pondered over them. Now we have completed with our poem, students. Now we'll go to the exercise part. Now we'll start with the exercise, students. This is our new word, students. What do you mean by curious? Curious means eager to know something. Led means to guide a group of people. Marble means a little glass ball. Sink means to go down below the surface of water. Reason means a cause. Now we go to the next part. Name a few things that sink. What sinks, students? In this poem, what sinks? Lead and marble sink in the water. List 3 questions that the little boy asked. We have to list 3 questions which the boy asked. Why wood should swing? Why sun should shine? Why wind should blow? What sort of a boy is described in the poem? It is sad, curious or brave? The boy is curious. let's talk. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking questions. One day he came home and asked his grandfather questions like, why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? Why can't we touch the sun? Why can't we go out to play in the dark? Discuss these questions with your teacher and class, and do you know the answers? So student, this part you have to do it yourself. You have to do this part yourself. You have to try this 3 questions with the help of your friends, with the help of your family members. Now we'll go to the next part, that is the word building. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentences. Here are the answers related to this question. Why is the sky so high? Do you know the color of flower? Have you found who had made the cloud? Put the glass in the sink after you finish your drink. The spelling of these words are jumbled. Put them right and make sentences of your own. You have to make sentences of these words. Like, I don't know the answer of this question. Swim. He swims for hours during weekend. You have to make this type of sentences in this part. Now we go to the next part. Let's write, discuss and write. Why do cats and dogs fight? Why cats and dogs fight, students? Let's discuss in this part. Dogs are not friendly to cats. Whenever they meet, they start fighting because dogs makes attempts to kill cats who are forced to fight with them to save themselves. Now we'll go to the second question, students. Why do we walk across the road, not run? Why we walk across the road and we don't run there? Why? We don't run but walk across the road to avoid accidents. There are so many vehicles on the road. In such a situation, we are supposed to walk on it carefully without disturbing others. Now we go to the C part, that is, why do people like ice cream? As you know, student, everyone like ice cream. People like ice cream because they feel exciting to eat such a cold sweet thing. Now we will go to the next part. Write down at least 2 questions using why. You have to use why in such questions. You have to make question where you use why. Why are you crying so loudly? Why do you speak rudely? So now we go to the next part, that is the fun time. This is the activity part. This activity you have to try it yourself, students. Today we have completed with our poem. We have completed with our exercises also. Till then, thank you, students. See you in the next video.